Hey everyone, it's so good to be back. I know it's been a while since the last video. Life threw a few things my way, and I had to take a little break. But now, I'm back, and I've got some amazing content lined up for you. In today's video, we're diving into real everyday English, the kind of conversation you'd actually hear between two friends hanging out. Let's jump right in, and thank you for sticking around. I really appreciate you all. Thank you for reminding me. Seriously, if you hadn't texted, I would have completely missed today. I figured. You've been in your own little world lately. What's going on with you? Don't even ask. Work's been crazy. My boss dumped this last minute pitch on me, and I've been pulling late nights all week. That sounds rough. But you still made time to meet. I'm honored. Of course, I needed a break. And also, I owe you like 3 hangouts by now. More like 5, but who's counting? Ha! Okay, I deserve that. But honestly, it's been nonstop. I even forgot it was your birthday last week, and I felt like the worst person on the planet. You texted me that night, remember? At 11:58 p.m.? Exactly. 2 minutes to spare. I panicked and grabbed my phone like, "Oh no, Jordan's birthday!" You're lucky I found that hilarious. Most people would have held a grudge. Yeah, you're like the most chill person I know. Too good for this world. I wouldn't go that far. I just know you. You get lost in your head, but you always circle back. That's actually weirdly accurate. You ever wonder if you're living life too fast? Like rushing from one thing to the next and not really being in it? All the time. That's why I force myself to plan stuff like this. Otherwise, the weeks just blur together. You blink and it's August. Dude, it is August. Exactly. Remember back in college, we used to just sit around for hours doing absolutely nothing? Yeah, at that terrible diner that always smelled like syrup and burnt toast, but it was perfect. We'd sit there from noon to sunset, arguing about movies and pretending we knew more than we did. Still, one of my favorite memories. Remember your phase where you swore you were going to be a screenwriter? Still kind of in it, just with more email chains and less caffeine fueled rants. Honestly, I still think you could do it. You've got the ideas, you just need space to breathe. I've been thinking about that. Maybe I need to take a weekend away. Rent a cabin, turn off my phone, just right. Do it. I'll even drive you there and make sure you don't sneak your laptop to watch Netflix. Tempting offer, but only if you bring snacks. I'm not living off granola bars and inspiration alone. Deal. I'll bring the good stuff chips, soda, maybe even s'mores. You're the real MVP. You always bring me back to myself, you know? Well, thank you for finally showing up today. These little moments, we need more of them. Agreed. Life's too short to keep hitting snooze on real connections. So, same time next week? Absolutely. But text me again, just in case. I knew you'd say that. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's conversation and picked up a few natural English expressions along the way. If you're new here, consider subscribing. There's a lot more real, everyday English coming your way. And if you liked this video, a thumbs up really helps others find it too. Let me know in the comments what kind of conversations you'd like to see next. And as always, keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.